seen features with him, not really songs like that. What is this? Bird of Problems Jerk Chicken. Okay. Okay, maybe I prejudged. Alright. Oh yeah, I 100% prejudged. Oh wow. Okay. I feel like this song is like really like one of those Polyphia songs where it's heavily based on the instrumentals and all that. For myself, I don't really listen to those type of songs. So that's my own thoughts with this song. It's kind of like that type of song. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying that it's not really my cup of tea. It's good though, especially these type of vocals. Yeah, and that was a badass song too. Beautiful vibes. I need Vanilla to recreate this immediately.